And today we are going to make an easy peanut butter sauce. I love it on the apple bowl that we made last week. So I am Felicia Tappan of Slow Foods Kitchen, where we make wonderful raw kale chips. Check us out on our website, slowfoodskitchen.com. So let's get on with the good peanut butter sauce. We're using Santa Cruz organic, no stir, dark roasted peanut butter. You know, just use your favorite. That's what I say. So we're going to take a 1/4 cup of this lovely peanut butter. See there, that'll about fit in there, right? That's 1/4 cup. Doesn't have to be exact, but I will measure out the plant-based Ripple milk, which has only 5 grams of sugar and 1 cup, only 90 calories in a cup. So I'm going to put twice the amount of milk to the peanut butter. So I'm going to put a 1/2 cup of milk. Oh, and use any of your favorite plant-based milks. So Delicious is one of my favorites, and we also use a lot of coconut milk, but you just use your favorite. And now we need about a tablespoon of maple syrup. So that's about a tablespoon. And then it's just as simple as mix and stir. You know, if you're in a hurry, you could do it on the stovetop, just very slightly warm. If it was I was in the kitchen and had a stove, I would probably just set this little bowl right on the burner on low. But actually, if you could see, with a little whisk, it's coming together real nicely and making a thicker sauce. All right, look at that. Quick and easy peanut butter sauce. So last week, I shared you with my favorite breakfast, which is an apple bowl, just basically a shredded green apple, a little bit of lemon juice, and all of your favorite toppings. So now, set this down. We have, look at this. See what it looks like in a pretty, so then, you just take your sauce and drizzle it. Peanut butter and green apples. I can't wait to have breakfast. There we go. Yummy. And there you have it. Easy peanut butter sauce. Come back next week and I'll show you something new. Bye.